going to introduce our next chat, which is going to be very brief, but hopefully very interesting. And to chat about waste treatment, I want to invite someone that has extensive experience on waste treatment. So please welcome on our stage Álvaro Sagrario, who is the Director of Energy and Waste Treatment Plants at Sacyr. Álvaro, please join me. There you go. OK, so it's going to be quick, but hopefully interesting. So you have a very, very unique background. You've been working in the company for 15 years, and you've been managing the waste plants, which is not kind of like the usual app that someone builds, right? So I'm very, very curious to know, what is the biggest challenge you're finding right now at the moment, right? There's been many changes, but what is the biggest challenge you see as someone in charge of managing and building those things? What do you see from an innovative perspective that it's like, OK, we really need to fix this?
First of all, thank you very much for the introduction. You're overwhelming me. So now there is a challenge of reintroducing existing materials that we normally work with in our normal life. At Sacyr, we have already embarked in the circular economy, and we are doing that with used tires. We treat more than 25,000 tons of these materials. And we are talking about normal tires that you normally change when you go to the mechanic. So what we do with these tires? Normally would you think, well, this is the end of it. But this is not the case. This is when Sacyr comes into life. We include these tires into the circular economy, and we send them back to road.
Nice. Well, it's kind of interesting because, sometimes I think we don't realize how much stuff ends up in a landfill and is not being recycled, right? And what are the challenges from a technical perspective to do this, right? Because why weren't we doing it before? That would be the question.
Well, one of the critical points is to include these materials in an economic and efficient way. We have developed one material which is called RAR-X, which is tire powder. This tire powder is included in the additives of asphalt, and is a way of reintroducing these materials into normal life. But this material is not just a material that we use for the sake of it. It actually enhances the quality of the asphalt that we use. It becomes more flexible, it becomes more durable, and less noise. So actually, we find all the benefits of it. But it also is good for the environment because we reduce the amount of aggregates and the petroleum additives. So this material has been used in several countries around the globe, in the United States, in Russia, in Spain, and Sacyr has also used them in the highway of Mexico and some cities of Spain, like Madrid or Malaga.
Nice, nice. That sounds impressive. Now, very last question, very quickly. What do you think would be the next material you guys are going to start reintroducing in circular economy?
Well, we are working at several, no, difficult question. We are working in several developments, and some of the materials coming from hospitals we are working on, but we are in the innovation stage, development stage. So hopefully very soon we will get there.
Well, then I hopefully have you on stage next time so you can actually explain in depth how that's working. So Álvaro, thank you so much for joining us here today, and it's been a pleasure. And let's hope you guys keep pushing in that space.
Thank you very
much, Álvaro.
Bye. Thank you.
There we go.